Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to use the WooCommerce payment feature in Vitepos. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay updated with our latest videos. And if you've already subscribed, thank you for being part of our community. Now, let's dive in and explore the WooCommerce payment feature. First, go to the Vitepos admin panel, then navigate to the payment module. By default, the WooCommerce payment option is disabled. Simply click on the switcher in the payment settings to enable it. Next, open the WooCommerce Payment tab. Here, you'll see all your active and configured WooCommerce payment methods. We've already set up a few methods, so they're all visible here. Just check the methods you want to use and save the settings. Now, head over to the Pause panel. Add a few items to the cart. Move to Checkout, select WooCommerce Payment as the payment method, and click Pay Now. Once the WooCommerce Payment window loads, proceed. You'll see options like Stripe, Debit/Credit Card, and others. Select your preferred method, fill in the necessary details, and complete the order. That's it. We've successfully completed an order using the WooCommerce payment method. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, comment, and share for more updates. Thanks for watching.